just a fantastic space, which we're really hoping is going to be really enjoyed by our clients, so they'll come back time and time again. My name is Martin Amos, and I'm the IT AV Infrastructure Manager at ICAEW. I've got the privilege of helping with the project and installation of a lot of the AV within this wonderful room and this wonderful building in Chartered Accountants Hall. Fantastic room here is the main reception room, which dates from the Victorian era. Very difficult, as you can imagine, to get technology into this space whilst adhering to all the regulations and keeping it as a heritage site. So one of the briefs we put out to Clear VC was to install technology in this room which would be very easy to set up. Sometimes we're very quick turnaround for different events. So we needed something that was easy to turn around and easy to use as well, because we didn't want to have to provide a technician for all those time periods during the day. We wanted anyone to be able to come in and use all the facilities very, very easily. So some of the AV options we've got available, everything's controlled through a Crestron panel. We had a bespoke credenza made to house a rear throw, ultra short throw projector, which throws up onto a lovely big screen, which you can see from the back of the room quite clearly. We opted for a custom-made screen, which provided its challenges, needed to be imported, especially from America. But once it came, it's perfect for the room. It fits away nicely into the credenza, stashed away when it's not in use. And then you can bring it up at the touch of a button, and it cleverly extends out so it can be seen by the whole room. So the room we're in at the moment is called the members room. It's sometimes called the old library. And some of the challenges we've had in this room in the past, there's been trailing cables, bringing conference phones in when they're required, taking them out again when it's a drinks reception, dealing with different types of events and fast turnaround times. Clear VC were really integral in the whole project, and they worked very closely on the project team with the architects and the designers, heritage people, to make sure that we had the technology we needed to take the business forward, whilst also maintaining the integrity of the heritage rooms, which is crucial to us. So they use their imagination and their expertise to come up with the bespoke credenza design, which hides all the equipment nicely away until it's needed, of course. And also introducing a new technology we hadn't used previously, which meant that we didn't have to install specific AV cabling inside the room. We're using AV over IP now, which means we can keep most of the hardware stashed away in the data center and use our existing structured cabling, which also kept the cost down and made use of that new technology. If a client needs audio conferencing, video conferencing, presentation technology, music, audio, we can accommodate all of those things. And Clear VC have done a fantastic job in keeping all the equipment hidden away out of sight. So it keeps the heritage aspect of the room. If no AV is needed, you don't see hardly any AV at all. But if you do need those facilities, it's very easy to set up, very easy to accommodate. Fortunately now, with the facilities we've got, we can accommodate all of those things with the best, most reliable, high-tech, high-definition technology to really provide a conference space that we can be really proud of.